Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're making a bright, crunchy, and super refreshing collard green salad that's packed with flavor and nutrients. As always, before we begin, let's wash our hands. Make sure that you're scrubbing for at least 20 seconds with warm, soapy water. And of course, we're going to wash all of our produce thoroughly under running water. Let's start by chopping our veggies. So first up, the red onion, we're going to dice that into small pieces. And once diced, toss them into a large salad bowl. Now we'll dice the green onions. Green onions are high in vitamin K, also vitamin C to support your immune system, and even a little fiber to help with digestion. They may help with inflammation and support heart health. Now we're chopping the bell peppers, yellow and red. Dice them into small chunks. Bell peppers are packed with vitamin C, great for your skin and immune system, and they also provide vitamin A, fiber, and antioxidants to support overall health. Once all chopped, add them into the bowl. Now dice up your tomato and toss it into the large bowl. Lastly, collard greens. We're going to remove the stem and slice them into strips. Collard greens are loaded with vitamin K and calcium, vitamin A for eye health, vitamin C for immunity. They also offer fiber, which helps your digestion, and antioxidants that support long-term health. Once everything's chopped, we're ready to move on to the dressing. In a small bowl, combine 3 diced garlic cloves. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, half a cup of rice vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. As for seasonings, I'm using herbs from Provence, salt, and black pepper, but feel free to make it your own. Give it a mix, then taste and adjust with your seasonings. And sprinkle in 1/3 cup of feta cheese, then pour your dressing over the salad. Now massage your salad. This step is important because collard greens are sturdier than other greens, so massaging helps soften them, making them easier to chew and more enjoyable to eat. Here's our finished collard green salad. You can serve it just as it is or add extra dressing if you like. Thanks so much for joining me today. Let me know in the comments if you try the salad or how you make it your own.